Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Hema. In this video I am teaching class 7 mathematics chapter 2 fractions and decimals, and will be covering exercise 2.4 completely, and this is as per NCERT and Karnataka state syllabus. Now let us start the exercise 2.4. Under this exercise we are going to use the properties of the decimals. Let us see the first question. Find. There are 6 sub questions under this, and the first one 12 divided by 3 by 4. We know that when we are converting the division into fraction, we have to take the reciprocal of 3 by 4 here. Therefore 12 into 3 by 4, it will become 4 by 3. Okay. Now what we have to do? 3 ones are 3 and 3 fours are, it is 12, and what is remaining? It is 4 into 4. 4 into 4, it is nothing but 16. Therefore 16 is the answer for the question number 1 under the exercise 2. The next question is 14 divided by 5 by 6. What is the reciprocal of 5 by 6? It is 6 by 5. Therefore 14 divided by 5 by 6 equal 14 into 6 by 5 equal, what is 14 6 are 84 divided by 5 is the answer for this given question. The next one 8 divided by 7 by 3. Now you tell me what to do. Yes, here we have to take the reciprocal of 7 by 3 as 3 by 7. Therefore 8 divided by 7 by 3 equal 8 into 3 by 7, which is equal to 8 3s are 24 divided by 7 is the answer for the question number 3. The next 4 divided by 8 by 3, which is equal to 4 into reciprocal of 8 by 3, that is 3 by 8. Now 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, which is equal to 1 into 3 by 2, which is equal 3 by 2. So this is the answer for the question number 4. The next question is 3 divided by 2 1 by 3. Okay, so here we are dividing whole number by the mixed fractions. So we have to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction first. Take 2 1 by 3, which is equal to 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7. So this is 7 by 3. Now our question, it will become 3 divided by 7 by 3. Okay, now we have to do the division, mean we have to convert the division into multiplication. During that 7 by 3, we have to take the reciprocal. So 3 into reciprocal of 7 by 3, which is equal to 3 into 3 by 7, because 3 by 7, it is the reciprocal of 7 by 3, which is equal to 3 into 3 9, 9 divided by 7. It is the answer for the given question. Now let us go for second question. Find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions. Classify the reciprocal as proper fractions, improper fractions and whole numbers. So there are totally 7 questions are there. So we have to find the reciprocal of each of the fractions, and based on the reciprocals obtained, we have to classify whether it is a proper fraction, improper fractions and the whole numbers. So first one, take 3 by 7. So what is the reciprocal of 3 by 7? It is 7 by 3. Okay. So numerator will become denominator, denominator will become numerator. So that is the meaning of the reciprocal of the any fractions. So here observe, what is the observation? Numerator is greater than denominator. Therefore it is a improper fractions. Okay. And the second one equal 5 by 8. What is the reciprocal of the 5 by 8? Is 8 by 5. So here this is a proper or improper? This is also an improper fraction. because in this case also numerator is greater than denominator. Correct? And next 9 by 7. What is the reciprocal of 9 by 7? It is 7 by 9. This is a proper fraction because here numerator is less than denominator. Okay, so that is the criteria for the proper fraction. Therefore, reciprocal of 9 by 7 is proper fraction. Next one is 6 by 5. So write down the reciprocal of 6 by 5 is 5 by 6. This is also a proper fraction because what is the numerator? 5 and the denominator is 6. That means 5 is greater than 6. Is it correct? No. Because 5 is less than 6. That means numerator is less than denominator. This is a proper fractions. The next 12 divided by 7. The reciprocal of 12 by 7 is 7 by 12. Now you tell me whether this is a proper fraction or improper fraction. This is a proper fraction because numerator is less than denominator. That means denominator is greater. Therefore, it is a proper fraction. The next question is 1 by 8. Write down the reciprocal of 1 by 8 is 8 by 1, which is nothing but 8. Okay, what is 8? It's a proper fraction, improper fraction, or a whole number? It is a whole number. Okay, the next question 1 by 11. What is the reciprocal of 1 by 11? It is 11 by 1 or 11. So 11, it's a whole number. Now let us go for question number 3. There are 4 sub questions are there under the question number 3. So here we have to divide the fraction by the whole number. Consider the first question 7 by 3 divided by 2. So we know that 7 by 3 divided by 2, when we are converting the division into multiplication, we have to take the reciprocal of 2. So what is the reciprocal of 2? It is 1 by 2. Therefore 7 by 3 into 1 by 2, which is equal to, now we have to do the multiplication of the two fractions. So what we have to do? We have to multiply the numerators and denominators separately. Therefore this will become 7 into 1 divided by 3 into 2, which is equal to 7 by 6. And this can be converted into a mixed fractions. Then it will become 1 by 6, because 6 ones are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 by 6 is the answer. The next one 4 by 9 divided by 5. What we have to do? We have to take the reciprocal of 5 as 1 by 5. Therefore the division, it will become multiplication. Therefore 4 by 9 into 1 by 5. Now 4 ones are 4, 9 fives are 45. 4 by 45 is the answer for this question. The next one 6 divided by 13 divided by 7. Now 6 by 13 into reciprocal of 7, that is 1 by 7. Therefore this will become 6 by 13 into 1 by 7. Now 6 ones are 6, 13 sevens are, it is 91. 6 by 91 is the answer for the question number 3. The next one 4 1 by 3 divided by 3. Here we have a mixed fractions. So let us convert the mixed fraction into improper fractions. So how to convert? Write down 4 1 by 3, which is equal to 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 1 13. So 13 by 3 is the fraction for the mixed fraction. Now 4 1 by 3 divided by 3, it will become 13 divided by 3 into reciprocal of 3, which is 1 by 3. Therefore 13 divided by 3 into 1 by 3. Now multiply the numerator and denominator. This will become 13 into 1 divided by 3 into 3 equal 13 divided by 9. The next one, 3 1 by 2 divided by 4. Here also we have a mixed fractions. So let us convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. 3 1 by 2 equal 7 by 2. Okay. Then 7 by 2 into converting the decimal into division into multiplication. Therefore reciprocal of 4 need to be taken. 7 by 2 into 1 by 4, which is equal to 7 into 1 divided by 2 into 4 equal 7 by 8 is the answer for the question number 4. The next one, 4 3 by 7 divided by 7. In this case also, first we have to convert the mixed fraction into improper fractions. Therefore 4 3 by 7, it will become 31 by 7, because 7 4s are 28, 28 plus 3 31, so 31 by 7. Now 31 by 7 into reciprocal of 7. What is the reciprocal of 7? It is 1 by 7. Therefore 31 by 7 into 1 by 7 equal 31 divided by 7 into 7 equal 31 divided by 49 is the answer for the given question. Now let us go for next question, question number 4. Under this there are totally 8 sub questions are there, and each question it is the division of one fraction by another fractions. So we have to use the properties of the division of the fraction by another fraction. So let us see how we can use the properties and solve the given questions. First one, 2 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. 2 by 5, when we are converting the division into multiplication, we have to take the reciprocal of the second fractions. Okay, and 2 by 5 into reciprocal of 1 by 2, which is 2 by 1. Therefore 2 by 5 into 2 by 1 equal 2 into 2 divided by 5 into 1 equal 4 by 5. Here we are using the multiplication of the two fractions. The next one, 4 by 9 divided by 2 by 3. 4 by 9 into reciprocal of 2 by 3, it is 3 by 2. Therefore 4 by 9 into 3 by 2 equal 4 3s are 12 divided by 9 2s are 18. Now here we can cancel, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. Therefore 2 by 3 it is the answer for the given question. The next question is 3 by 7 divided by 8 by 7. Now we have to convert the division into multiplication. Therefore we have to take the reciprocal of 8 by 7. Then it will become 3 by 7 into reciprocal of 8 by 7, which is equal to 3 by 7 into 7 by 8. Now we have to do the multiplication of these two fractions. Multiply the numerator and denominator. Therefore we'll get the product of the fractions. 3 into 7 divided by 7 into 8. Now 7 and 7 we can cancel with each other. The remaining is 3 into 1 divided by 1 into 8, which is equal to 3 by 8. Okay. The next one, 2 1 by 3 divided by 3 by 5. Here we have a mixed fractions. So let us convert into improper fractions. Then 2 1 by 3 equal 7 by 3. Now what is our question? 2 1 by 3 divided by 3 by 5, which is equal to 7 by 3 into reciprocal of 3 by 5. Okay, and now what is the reciprocal of 3 by 5? It is 5 by 3. Therefore 7 by 3 into 5 by 3, which is equal to 7 into 5 divided by 3 into 3 equal 35 divided by 9. The next question is 3 1 by 2 divided by 8 by 3. So here also we have to convert the mixed fraction into improper fractions. Therefore 3 1 by 2 it will become 7 by 2. Now the question 7 by 2 divided by 8 by 3. So which is equal to 7 by 2 into reciprocal of 8 by 3 we have to take. What is the reciprocal of 8 by 3? It is 3 by 8. Therefore 7 into 3 divided by 2 into 8, which is equal 21 divided by 16. The next one, 2 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. So first let us convert the mixed fraction into improper fractions. 1 by 2 equal 3 by 2. Then 2 by 5 into reciprocal of 3 by 2, which is equal 2 by 5 into 2 by 3 equal 2 2s are 4, 5 3s are 15. Therefore 4 by 15 is the answer for the question. Now the next question is 3 1 by 5 divided by 1 2 by 3. Here we have two mixed fractions. So first let us convert each of the mixed fraction into improper fractions one by one. Take 3 1 by 5, which is equal to 16 by 5, because 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 1 16, 16 by 5. Next 1 2 by 3 equal 5 by 3. Now 16 divided by 5 into reciprocal of 5 by 3 we have to take. Okay, we are converting division into multiplication. Therefore we have to take the reciprocal of the second fraction, which is equal to 16 divided by 5 into 3 by 5. Now multiply the numerator and denominator. This will become 16 into 3 divided by 5 into 5 equal 48 by 28. Similarly, this question also we have to solve. 2 1 by 5 divided by 1 by 5. So convert the mixed fraction into improper fractions. 2 1 by 5, it will become 11 by 5. 1 by 5 equal 6 by 5. Now 11 by 5 into reciprocal of 6 by 5, which is 5 by 6. Therefore 11 into 5 divided by 5 into 6 equal, what is 11 5s are 55. Otherwise we can cancel 5 and 5. So what is remaining? 11 by 6 is the answer for the question. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share my videos. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to support me, and please press the bell icon for further notifications.